Hello kids. Today I draw a very easy drawing for you. Ramadan lantern drawing for kids. You in this month Muslims are fasting. So I draw a drawing according to this month. First of all, draw the background. Draw the moon. You when the people saw the moon the month of Ramadan started. All the Muslims of the world fasting in this month. They eat nothing during fasting. They eat at the time of the iftar. I like different colors. So I use different colors in the drawing. The moon looks so beautiful. I like this drawing so much. Wow, that's awesome. I also coloring in this drawing. After Ramadan, people celebrate the Eid. Wow, that's awesome.